Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be showcasing my Paige Evans design team goodies. I wanted to share with you guys this beautiful collection that she just came out with, and it's called Truly Grateful, and it has kind of like a fall effect to it, but you still can use it all year long. It's beautiful. It's definitely Paige Evans. So let's get into it. I'm also going to have everything linked down below so you guys can go check her out and grab this collection. The only thing I don't have right now is the tool, what's it called, the binding tool that she has, but I should be getting it any day now, maybe like Monday or Tuesday. I'll definitely have a video up on that, so stay tuned. And yeah, let's get into this beautiful collection. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is the cardstock stickers, and we're gonna go through it. Look at this. How cute is this little clock? Flowers and butterflies as usual. Stay golden. I love the colors, you guys, and I cannot wait to create with this collection. I already have a bunch of things in mind, so you're just gonna have to stay tuned. As you can see, so I lost my train of thought. So you guys can see what I create. Oh my gosh, I literally just woke up, you guys, so don't mind me. I wanted to get some filming in before my wife gets home from work, so I'm a little groggy still. And then we have, these are puffy phrase stickers, and look how cute. Grateful. I love these little dots like that because they put like little pops and little things on projects that make it look even better. I love it. She put so many little ones. They're like enamel dots, but in a different like form. They're flat. I love them. Not many stickers have them. Adore, together, it's a long story, make your own magic. How pretty is this? And I'm not a fan of blue, but I love this. Opposite side says rise and shine, the good stuff. This one says sunshine, wonder, you are loved. Cute little mushroom and a bunch of those little dots, you guys. So you basically get a bunch of enamel dots in this pack, and they look so good on projects. Like, it's just a little different accent on each project. So we have the puffy stickers. Then we have these super cute little buttons. I love these wooden buttons. They also give beautiful detail to your projects. It's got a little butterfly, the bunny, the little chicken, the acorn, the apple, the leaves, the mushroom. So you guys know I'm going to be using definitely this collection through the beginning of fall, throughout fall. Look at this. These are the mini puffy stickers, which are great for embellishments because it's smaller and it works on smaller projects. Look at how cute. I love the colors, especially like that mint green. Haven't done my nails, you guys. I'm doing them tonight so that I can have fresh nails for the week. So we got those. Then we got these are like word, let me see. It just says stickers, but they're kind of like word phrases. So you get like adore, blessed, wonder, lucky, yes, lovely, joy, grateful, kind, heart, favorite, brilliant, play, now, together, sunshine, love, laugh, golden, humble, beauty, this, thankful, you and me, story. So you guys get a great selection and you get a good amount. You get 142 pieces, but then again it counts each letter, but you get a decent amount of words. So pretty. I've never had anything like this. And then next up is the little embellishment kit that you get 287 pieces. So you get some enamel hearts, and then you get some sequins, and then you get some wood veneers. So the wood veneers are laugh, loved, and yes. Then you get this little heart here, and you get little heart pieces and flower pieces, and then you get 100 of each color in the sequins. I love how they break it down. So this is the little embellishments little bag. And then we get the It says embellishments as well, but this is the ephemera pack, but the floral one. She always has like a floral ephemera pack. So we got a bunch of leaves up here. And then we have some flowers. And I'm not going to go through every single piece of flower because if you go on Paige Evans' channel, she does have everything very detailed. I just want to show you guys what I got in my kit. But I don't want to open everything up, but you can see right here how everything is broken up. These are all the pieces you get. Super pretty, you guys. You get 50 pieces. And then you get another little like ephemera pack, which is hold on. This is journaling spots. So these are like little journaling cards to do your little like scrap pages. Super cute. Look at these tickets, you guys, that you can like decorate and stitch on. Yeah, 25 pieces, and these are the pieces that come inside. I love like the half-bitten apple. Look at the pear, the tickets, the tabs. So cute. And then you get another ephemera pack, which is actual ephemera, because this is like the floral one, the journaling one, and then this is the actual ephemera pieces with all different kinds of stuff. So you get all these goodies. So you guys, I think this is going to be a perfect collection for fall. Definitely pick it up and you will have so much fun playing around with it. And if I create a project, you guys can recreate it. We got some thickers. These are called Happy Thoughts. Look how pretty. You guys, I have so many thickers that when I'm creating projects, I forget. But I have over, I think I have like 100 packs of thickers. Way too many that I don't need. So many, but I love thickers. And then we're moving on to paper. And you guys, we got 2 sheets of each. Look at this stack. 2 sheets of each. So I'm gonna go through them. We got the cut aparts. I'm gonna grab them both because it's 2 of the same. So we got the cut aparts, and this is what they look like. So cute. And then the back side is this. We got some florals. Look at those colors. Perfect fall colors. I am obsessed with this plaid. This is gorgeous. My kind of plaid. I love it. Then we got some leaves. And then the green on the opposite side. Another floral. Aren't these colors beautiful, you guys? Look at that. Then we got this one, which you guys know that I love the mint green in it. Butterflies, flowers, so Paige Evans. Then we have the blue on the opposite side. And we have this pattern right here. Look how cute. It's kind of like a quilt or a blanket. And then we have like the gridding on the opposite side. We got some trees. And then we have, I love this. Isn't that pretty with the fading? Like color blocking. Love it. And then of course, you guys know she loves to do her little like quilted pattern. I love this. So of course she has one in this collection. And then some acorns on the opposite side. This one is also like a quilted pattern with all the different pieces of the papers. My favorite right here. And then blue flowers on the opposite side. We got some rainbow leaves. And then some purple, kind of looks like a galaxy picture. like the sky and stuff. I love this one with the little houses, the little bird houses. Look at that. The little clocks. And then the opposite side is this one, which is a very pretty color. We have another plaid. And then we have this one. I love this one, so cute. I love the color she chose for these apples. I love it. Then we have this one, which is a word page, which you could definitely fussy cut out and use on your projects. And the back is just blue stars. We have the little 2x2 squares, which you can also fussy cut out. And then you have that on the opposite side. So the 2x2, when you flip it, it has a back and a front. So this is kind of like the pieces to the little books that she sells. This is it in a page form. More florals. Then we have kind of like a swatching ombre effect on the opposite side with very like pastel muted pinks. We have some mushrooms, tons of paper, you guys, and then this stripe paper, which is so pretty. Then we have this one, which also has a bunch of phrases. Start with a grateful heart, wonder, rise and shine. We have this one with the dots, super colorful. And the white makes it so bright. Then we have that ombre effect paper, lighter, but with this design on top. And then that's the opposite side. Then we have this floral piece, which screams fall. And then we have that side, which I love the colors. The colors of this collection are just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. We got this beautiful green with that little detail, and this blue with all the birds. And we have this one, which is so pretty, you guys, kind of like a big honeycomb. And the opposite side is like this. And I think there's a paper in one of her collections that looks like this one as well, except I think this one has spacing. The other one is filled with little X's. And we have this one, which is all green, like a darker evergreen, and the opposite side is all the little frames. And then we have another one with leaves, tons of paper, you guys. There's still more. All these little leaves and vines, little sprays, so cute. And stripes on the opposite side. Then we have this one, which is like rainbow triangles. How cute. Opposite side is kind of like a magenta pink. And then lastly is the specialty paper, which is a plaid with gold foiling. You guys see that? So pretty. But yeah, you guys, that is all the goodies that I received from Paige Evans, and I cannot wait to create and have fun and share with you guys a bunch of amazing projects. So definitely stay tuned for all the projects that I'll share with you guys, and check out the links down below so you guys can have your own truly grateful collection as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye guys.